Hello friends, welcome to MBA Queries. Today we will discuss on the topic strategic decision making process. Meaning the business decision making process is a step-by-step process allowing professionals to solve problems by weighing evidence, examining alternatives and choosing a path from there. This defined process also provides an opportunity at the end to review whether the decision was the right one. 7 decision making process steps. Through there are many slides variations of decision making framework floating around on the internet, in business textbook and in leadership presentation. Professionalists almost commonly use these 7 steps. Number 1. Identify the all decisions to make a decision. To make a decision, you must first identify the problem you need to solve or the question you need to answer. Clearly define your decision. If you misidentify the problem to solve or if the problem you have chosen is too broad, you will log the decision train off the track before it even leaves the station. If you need to achieve a specific goal from your decision, make it measurable and timely so you can know for certain that you make the goal at the end of the process. Here, first of all, identify your problem or the question you need to answer, which may not be too broad that you can't solve at the end of the process and you will wastage of time. Second step, gather relevant information. Once you have identified your decision, it's time to gather the information relevant to that choice. Do an internal assessment, seeing whether your organization has succeeded and failed in areas related to your decision. Also seek information from external sources, including studies, market research, and in some cases evaluation from paid consultant. Step number 3. Identify the alternatives. With relevant information now your fingerprint. Identify possible solutions to your problem. There is usually more than one option to consider when trying to meet a goal. For example, if your company is trying to gain more engagement on social media, your alternatives could include paid social advertisements, a change in your organic social media strategy, or a combination of two. Step number 4. Weight the evidence. Once you have identified multiple alternatives, weigh the evidence for or against said alternative. See what companies have done in the past to succeed in these areas and take a good hard look at your own organization's wins and losses. Identify potential pitfalls for each of your alternatives and weigh those against the possible rewards. Step number 5. Choose among alternatives. Here, the part of the decision making process where you make the decision. Hopefully you have identified and clarified what decision needs to be made, gathered relevant information and developed and considered the potential paths to take. You perfectly prepared to choose. Step number 6. Take action. Once you made your decision, act on it. Develop a plan to make your decision tangible and achievable. Develop a project plan related to your decision and then set the team loose on their task. On the plan is in place. Step number 7. Review the decision. After predetermined amount of time which you define the steps of the decision making process, take an honest look back at your decision. Did you solve the problem Did you answer the question? Did you meet your goals? So, if so, take a note of what worked for the future reference. If not, learn from your mistake as you begin the decision making process again. So, from the all 7 steps, what we learned: first step, to identify your problem; second step, to gather information; third step, to identify further alternatives; then, weightage of your evidence; fifth one, choose among alternatives; sixth one, take action; seventh, review your decision. The last step is the most important step, because the entire process, the entire journey, what you have done is perfectly correct or not. Have you, whatever worked, the time you have invested in that to improve your condition of your organization, has it been worked? Had it been resulted fruitfully or not? So these are the steps involved in the strategic decision making process.